Did you know BT21 characters were personally designed by BTS members in collaboration with Line Friends? Each BT21 character was personally designed by BTS members themselves, reflecting their unique personalities and creativity. Hello friends, this is Mark, and today, help me unpack this Cream O BT21 collaboration, and let's find what charms are waiting for me. Hello guys, this is Mark, and today help me unbox new collaboration of BT21 and Cream O. So Cream O was like vanilla and chocolate flavors. Actually, last month, nasa like collaboration with BT21, so BTS fans know about this. Cream O is a product of Universal Rubena. When you buy a Cream O pack of 10, you get a special edition BT21 sticker. So, taga pack of na po sa Cream O, either chocolate or vanilla na flavor, makuha ka og BT21 sticker na character. So, there are 8 characters of BT21. Kana mo na ang characters sa BT21. Ato i-check if unsa ko makuha. So, let's start first with vanilla. Okay. Ang luyo mo niya mga characters sa BTS. Cute kayo. So, let's open it. So, what's inside? Of course, the 10 packs of Cream O. 10 packs. And then, so, ito yung open. So, ang ako na ko is sticker. Si Chimmy. If you're in ARMY, you know that Chimmy is created by BTS member Jimin. So, mo na yung character Chimmy. So, I get the Chimmy na sticker. So, let's open the chocolates. Then nato ang chocolates. Chocolate. Chocolates. Okay. One is a chocolate. Ito i-open. Oh! Same! Si Chimmy gapon. So, the rest, ako ning i-open maybe ugma. Kay late na kayo, gabi na kayo. So, muna, if you're a fan of BTS and you wish to collect the different stickers of BT21. So last month, Cream O and BT21 have a collaboration. So in every 10 packs, na may sticker. So mukulik ka for at least 8 ka buok na sticker from BT21. So this one. So kani ang akong nakuha. Okay. Puro Chimmy na sticker. So ARMY, palit na mo Cream O. That's all for now. So ARMY, what are you waiting for? Grab your Cream O packs of 10 now and start collecting BT21 goodies today. I hope you enjoyed this mini vlog. That's all for now. Bye!